So we got you some monsters.
Thank you. I need that. It's early. Recipe for loving mom. A teaspoon of kindness, 2 teaspoons of funny, 1 tablespoon of caring, 3 teaspoons of responsibility, 1 cup of beauty, 1 pinch of forgiving, and a sprinkle of brave.
Look, and you can hang it.
Oh, that's cute. Aww. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, Liza, run, run! You're so far away. Oh, dang, guys, thanks. Ooh, all my favorite candies. Thank you, thank you. Whoa, that's a lot. Thank you.
Gonna go shopping.
Shopping.
Mom needs some clothes.
What was it? Oh, one more?
Got you a book.
Oh, dang.
It had good stuff on Goodreads, so, but I'd never heard of it.
Okay, I know. You know I need to start reading again. Thank you.
I got you that.
Oh, nice.
Ooh. Oh, yes. I love cake.
Wait, this makes bunk cakes?
Yeah, like
that
mini
is
ones.
awesome. Look.
They're like mini.
M's. We're gonna have a heyday with this.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Aw, thank you. Pandora!
Let's go.
Oh, bring
All right, so we're gonna head to breakfast, and then since Mom likes walking, we're just gonna go walk along the lake with that trail.
We should go swimming in the lake with all the dead bodies they just found.
Oh yeah, serious. Just hanging, waiting for our name to be called. It's busy.
What, 40 minutes almost?
Yeah.
But you guys, there's this Snapchat filter that shows like the kids, looks like you're crying. It's actually pretty crazy. I'm gonna show you some clips right here.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Everything.
Are you okay?
No.
You gotta do one. You gotta do one. You gotta do one of those Snapchat crying ones.
Yeah.
Can you do one?
I already did.
Send it to me.
Okay.
Boom, you guys, look at that club sandwich. Wow. Tina got some side of bacon right there. What else did you get?
French toast.
French toast. Brady got some French toast too. Elijah, what'd you get?
Burger.
Ooh,
Cheese.
just a
No,
straight up
bacon
cheeseburger?
burger. Bacon burger.
Oh, nice. Their fries are so good.
Their fries are the best fries.
So good.
We wanted ranch.
Hey, what do you think of their fries, Elijah?
Yummy.
Wow, Ethan got a brisket burger. Breakfast burrito. Some sides. French toast and cinnamon roll.
Let's try the fries.
So we just got done with breakfast. Now we are out here. It's a very windy day, but it actually feels nice, kind of cools everything down. We are headed out to just hike a little bit. It's not really a strenuous hike. It's just a small little trail.
Any hike is strenuous.
Ethan says any hike is strenuous. But we're gonna hike to some tunnels. You guys probably saw us do that for, what was that for, my birthday? Can't remember. Anyways, we've been here before and it's awesome, so.
Valentine.
Got the whole FamBam, you guys. That's literally all I want for Mother's Day is all of us together forever. Yay! Children. You're the 5th one.
I am the 5th.
How do you feel about that?
My birthday's tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna be 11!
Yay! Ah!
guys, yes, we are here at the mall. It's kind of an emergency. Ethan literally has holes in his shoes where his toes are popping out because he uses his shoes for everything.
We literally just went from a windstorm to the mall.
Yes, so we've got to get these shoes before the mall closes, so he has them to wear tomorrow because he's been wearing slides. And so let's see if they have them. Then we've got to get a couple items because tomorrow's Emberlin's actual birthday.
Boom, so Ethan got some shoes. We are home. Ooh, check those out, you guys.
They didn't have the exact color that he wanted, so we just got one similar to it until they get that one in stock in his size. So, but he definitely needs them. And
yes, we definitely got socks. And Emberlin, what? Emberlin has been like totally into these sunflower seeds. Oh, we did get some cookie dough so you can make us cookies tonight.
Yes!
Right, and then I'm gonna make dinner. We're gonna make the English muffin pizzas, okay? Boo. So how was prom? Honestly, get rated out of 1 to 10. No, seriously, rated out of 1 to 10.
100 million.
Wow, Ash. Wow. And you got home at a good time. I was very impressed with that. You guys, SpaghettiOs. Ashton loves SpaghettiOs. I'm gonna be making the English muffins with pepperoni.
Sweet.
You gonna have one?
Yeah.
So overall, happy good night.
Yeah.
So it was at like a country club, right? The dance?
No, it was at the golf course.
That's the country.
No, that's just a golf course.
So it was at the country club, and they had, what was the theme of it called? Getaway or something like that, or?
I forgot.
Oh no. So then after that, you just went to what? Vegas, like the Vegas Strip?
Yeah, I
Had
got
some
dessert, just drove around.
Some sushi?
What?
Did you have sushi?
No.
Mom said you were gonna go get sushi or something.
No.
What?
Why would I get sushi?
I have no idea. That's what I was thinking too.
No.
So, all right. But 10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Look at this cook in the kitchen. Check these out, you guys. These are our English muffin pizzas.
So good.
Yes, and we've done a cook with me on it before, so we'll link that if you guys want to see exactly how to do it. But this is one of our easiest, most delicious, quickest meals
Yes.
that we make. Usually like on Sundays or like on a busy night during the week.
Yeah.
So Emberlin's just literally putting up all the mozzarella cheese, and then she's gonna put up some pepperonis.
Yes.
And get that going, and then we're having chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Ooh.